I'm ready, and I think I'm gonna go. I think I'm gonna go get bubble tea. I don't know which one I'm gonna get though. I think it's gonna be, I might just get the taro one. I'm always so boring with my bubble tea choices. I always get the taro one.
A lot of people who would live here but then work in London.
Ryan, rate your ice cream.
Honestly, probably like a 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10?
Yeah.
What am I rating it? Come on. I'm rating it good.
Compared to soft serve.
Compared to soft serve? Well, the cultural differences are really out here doing the most. This guy's really doing it for me though. At home,
The flake?
Yeah, at home I usually get it's chocolate. You've never had
Have you never had a flake? Well, of course no, because that's not a thing in America so much.
They have them.
Oh, do they? Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
At home I usually get
Wait, is it a flick or a flake?
flake with an egg.
I've seen like James McAvoy.
Yes, that's it's from like James Corden Bus Thingy.
I've seen that.
Do you like it?
Perfect, come on.
While across town is less than fashionable copy hall on the San Francisco Examiner, these editors are programming today's copy of the paper into that same Ohio computer. When the telephone connection between the two terminals is
Close.